Welcome back. In this video, we'll look at the resources section, where you manage everything your experiences need to run, from boats and vehicles to guides and equipment. At the top, you can see an overview of your resources and the option to add a new resource. The progress bar below shows how many resources you currently have set up in your plan. Here you'll find a table listing all your resources. You can view details such as capacity, type, category, and which experiences or users are associated with each one. Use the action buttons on the right to quickly edit or remove a resource when needed. To create a new resource, click Add a new resource. Give it a name, select its category, for example, guide, asset, equipment, or auxiliary, and enter the capacity if it applies. Define the type of resource like boat, van, or instructor. If the resource is a person who needs to access the workspace, enable the switch to give them platform access and notifications. You can then link this resource to an existing user or invite a new one by email. When everything is set, click Add a new resource to save it. It will now appear in your resources list and can be assigned to any of your experiences. The Resources tab helps you stay organized by keeping all your captains, guides, and equipment in one place, ready to assign to your tours.